and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this iPhone 8. It's not cracked, but it's iCloud locked. I don't know anything about it. I got it from a friend. So it does work and everything, but it is locked. So we're going to drop testing. This is rough. Asphalt, concrete, whatever you want to call it, more asphalt. It is rough, so I'm assuming it's going to break. So waist height, backdrop in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, did it crack? No, it didn't. I'm gonna wipe it down real quick. You can definitely see where it hit on this bottom of the glass. Still works. Let's go ahead and get the slow motion set up for the side drop. In 3, 2, 1. That was a perfect side drop, guys. Didn't crack. You can see where it hit right here on the bottom. Nothing too bad at all, actually. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do the face down drop. Alrighty. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, moment of truth, guys. It did not crack. As you can see, it definitely has some some spots where it hit the concrete, though. I'll wipe it all down, see if anything's noticeable. Definitely a little chip in the glass down there. Still works, though. Alrighty. Let's go to move on to head height on its back. Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. It didn't. Oh, it did crack. One little bitty crack, guys. That isn't bad at all, technically. Alrighty. Here, right there. One crack going up. Screen's still good. Nothing too bad. Let's go ahead and do the corner drop. Hopefully that last corner drop again. Alrighty, in 3, 2. I'm gonna let the wind stop real quick. Hold on. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. That was a corner drop, and it did crack the back a tad bit more. Let's see right there. Screen is still good. As you can see, it hit right there. Come on, camera. There we go. Right there. Screen is still working. The back has a couple little cracks, nothing too bad. Now, head height on its face. Will it work? I see the screen is still fully functional. In 3, 2, 1. So guys, the wind took it and it made it look like it hit its back. It did. Looks like it chipped right here on the frame, the camera lens, right here on the bottom of the frame a little bit more too. So let's go ahead and redo that. See if we can get it straight on the face. This one sucks, guys, I'm telling you. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, that landed straight on the face that time. And we have results. See, the screen is completely cracked. Does still work though. I'll go back. Yep, still fully functional. Just cracked. The back is cracked a little bit more as well. Let's go ahead and do the throw drop. I haven't done a throw drop on a newer iPhone, so let's see how it compares to the iPhone 3G we did. Here's the iPhone. We're going to turn it on. Leave the screen open. I'm going to throw it over this one. Hopefully the wind brings it back. In 3, 2, 1. There's the back of it. Cracked a lot more. Got pieces missing now. The screen. Home button still working. Screen still responsive. Not too bad. So guys, I decided the iPhone 8 is not going to get away that easy. Still working too good. We're going to throw it again and see what happens. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, walking out to it. Oh, it cracked bad. Back is shattered. Screen and LCD is shattered. Looky there. But if we want to do that one more drop test, just because I felt like it wasn't good enough compared to the other iPhones that took the damage today. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.